Hey, this is silentsolution. Welcome to another video. Here today RHCE exam and the question solve. This question is web content. How to study website development. Also, uh, different directory create this path location. Let's go. First of all, we are clear our screen. Sudo DevOps user. Jump. We are RM RF webport. Just remove our. Just we create one directory, one groups and user given SID and different path location. Let's go. First of all, we are create our YML. Just insert I face name web host. Just where my workstation you can your host or your examiner who is host define. .com task name detail installation web server HTTP for YAM module name HTTPD state state present mean installation absent mean delete state enabled yes must be your service enabled. Now we are our service enabled start and name just missing service enabled. We are called now service module service module service module service that is name httpd pd is dad state start d and started enable led enabled yes just we'll see how to talk help Now Ansible RHCE service. Here you can use service module, start, enable, started. Let's go. Now host and set. Now we are just service at. Now we're added firewall rules. Service http permanent. Yes, I am in. I am immediate. Immediate. Yes. STAT state enbled enabled. Now we are create one web groups. Memory name certificate web dev group. Now declare the groups module group name web dev stat state present is a declare. Now we are create one directory. Which directory have our path location, web content path location. Name CRA integrate clear directory. This module is file. Name just not name here. Here is the directory. That's why I have to call the path web dev. Then state state directory. Now mode. That time is the mode defined. Should be distribute. You can your permission write executive here. Mode. 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 Here is permission. Is the idea. Read write execute and group web dev stat. Now C type. This is file C tier. C type. C type. Content. Now we are create one symbolic link. Link R www.html web dev to dev. Symbolic link also file module. Also src source where web dev destination var www.html web dev destination. The state align link. Now copy content. Which content is our display showing? Name, create, copy, content. Now we are use copy module. Copy module on TNT content. Content. I love silent solution. Just now destination www.html sorry web dev in ex.html and just ctyp content t. Now we're safe. And now syntax X and Ansible Playbook web content just checks our syntax is okay. Now we are run this play. Let's go. I think our firewall module has this problem. Let's go. What's problem? what content. Now we are mistake here is service not HTTP, just HTTP. When file for permanent permanent. Now we are safe and again playbook. Continue. I think our working here. Now we are just go to our web browser. This is our IP. We're hit, but already HTTP is installation, but not my content. Yeah, our playbook is my content have web dev. Let's go web dev. Yeah. Finally, thanks for I love silent solution hand. We are starting website development and the single command. This pattern question have coming. I think is solve this issue. Thanks for watching.